You're listening to the Journal Party podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that till we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? Have you ever wondered what it really means to find your why? It's not just some buzzword, it's about understanding the deeper purpose that fuels your life. Your why is what makes the tough days worth it and the good days even sweeter. It's the driving force behind your decisions, your energy, and the way you show up in the world. But here's the thing. It's easy to lose sight of that purpose when life gets hectic. And it's the holiday season, so you know life's getting hectic. Well, it might not be the holiday season by the time you're listening to this, but when is life not hectic, right? That's why today we're going to be slowing down, getting intentional, and reconnecting with your why. By the end of this journaling session, you'll have a clearer sense of what truly matters to you and what drives your unique spark. So, did I already say this? Today we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help you find your why. So go ahead, grab your journal, get comfy, and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. What moments in your life have felt the most meaningful to you and why? Reflect on the times when life felt full of purpose. What was happening and what made those moments so special? Prompt number 2. When was the last time you felt truly alive, and what were you doing? Think about the experiences that brought you energy and joy. What does that tell you about what lights you up? Prompt number 3. What do you want to be remembered for? Imagine your legacy. What values, actions, or impact do you want to leave behind? Prompt number 4. What's a problem in the world or your community that you'd love to help solve? Look outward for inspiration. What stirs your passions or frustrations? Could this connect to your purpose? Prompt number 5. If you could do anything without fear or limitation, how would you spend your time? Let your imagination soar. What does a life fully aligned with your why look like? Alrighty, party people. Go ahead, take a deep breath, and let those reflections settle. Finding your why isn't about having all the answers right now. It's about starting the journey and staying curious about what feels meaningful to you so that you're operating out of alignment with your true core values instead of just some external motivation, maybe a tangible motivation that's green and papery. If you want to keep the momentum going, check out our app for more guided journaling with mood and energy trackers and a growing community that's here to support you. And this week only at journalparty.com, we are offering 30% off all journaling supplies. That's right, 30% off site-wide at journalparty.com for Cyber Week. It's the perfect time to treat yourself to some new tools for your journaling practice, dare I say, journaling habit. And I'd love to hear what came up for you today, so let's connect. Find me on Instagram at journalpartyomg or my personal handle at Alex Gallner. And if you're loving the podcast, leave a review on your favorite podcast network. It's one of the best ways to help others discover this amazing community. And don't forget to join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. It's a free live stream where we journal together and share insights in real time. It's super fun, so love to see you there. You can join us on YouTube, our private Facebook group, or even directly through our app. The links for all of those are in the show notes, so show up. It's fun, inspiring, and growing every week. Anyway, thanks for showing up for yourself today and reconnecting with your why. Until next time, party on.